Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Bidayah Screencast. Today we want to discuss the distribution and the structure of each page in the book. We tend to use a specific style when structuring the pages with a specific purpose for each portion of the page. So starting from the top, we have always the number of the lesson at the top left in English, and then followed by the lesson title. This one is as-sukun, and an indication of the main symbol or the focus of the lesson. Also throughout the lesson, we will always use red font to indicate the focus. In this case, it's sukun, so every sukun is drawn in red. Also, as we move down in this page, after the title, we have the definitions, some very necessary definitions in Arabic and English for the teacher to know exactly the objective for the student, and we want the student to come out of each lesson knowing the definition that we provide. Next is all the letters displaying the vowel or the symbol of interest, and then we have the boxes that are used for explanation. The teacher uses these boxes to explain to the student in the specific way of our curriculum. And then we have the hand motions right under for a visual effect, and this is an alternative form of explaining. And then as we have our lines numbered 1 through 5, we'll always number the lines to make it easier to split the different lines into groups among a classroom. So within a classroom, you can divide the lines and create a sort of competition or different study groups. And within the words of the lines, we cover all different cases of the subject of interest. So we have short words eventually becoming long words, and we integrate all the previous concepts. So for example, this lesson is about sukun. We also include the fatha, we include the tanween, and the different forms of ta. So each line integrates more and more concepts. And near the bottom of the page, we have a short guide or tip for the teacher. This is always concerning the strategy to teach the student and certain things that not to miss while teaching the student. Also, like we mentioned before, the lines are increasingly challenging, so sometimes it's necessary to explain each line, and sometimes each box will refer to a specific line. For example, in this case, the first explanation box with meme refers to the first word with meme, and so forth. And as we move into 2-letter words, we can explain more lines later on, inshallah. Jazakumullah khair. This is the design of the pages. Assalamu alaikum.